How to use your points on Shein. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Start by opening up your Shein app. If you don't have your Shein application, you can also go ahead and tap on your web browser and get logged into your Shein account from this web browser. Once done, you will see a page like this, and here select any product that you would like to buy in order to use your coins. Tap on Add to Cart. Then go onto your cart and tap on Checkout. As you do so, make sure that you also enter your shipping address. And at this page, choose your payment method, then scroll below. Here you will see points. Tap onto it. If you have any points on your Shein, it will be shown here, and all you have to do is tap onto apply, and that way you can use your coins for your Shein app. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.